A very good morning to all of you, and you are most welcome in DSS online English class. Myself, Dharmendra, sir, your English teacher, and today I'm going to describe a brief biography of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is a great personality, and a great person that can be known as the name of genius. That means genius, the synonym of Albert Einstein, and the Albert Einstein is synonyms of genius. That means Albert Einstein's personality is so remarkable that the genius word used for him. Here, Albert Einstein made a milestone in the world of physics by giving a theory which is known as the theory of relativity, which is equal mc square. The timeline of the timeline of Albert Einstein is measured here in a few words and a few lines, but it cannot be possible to measure Albert Einstein in a few lines because he is a man of a myth. He is a man of a history, and history cannot be written in few words. His life is remarkable in the world of physics. So, students, it is not possible to mention all the things in a few lines. So, I am giving some important points which is important and you have to know about him. And I will also tell you some small stories about his life. At first, we discuss the date of birth. The date of birth, he was born in 14 March 1879, Ulm in Germany. Ulm in Germany, and 14 March is known as World Genius Day. So स्टूडेंट, इसमें बताने की कोई नीड नहीं है कि उनके जन्म डे को जीनियस डे के रूप में पूरी वर्ल्ड सेलिब्रेट करती है. सो हाउ जीनियस ही वाज, it cannot be possible to explain in words. You have to think in your mind by yourself. Now, his father Hermann Einstein and mother Pauline Einstein, they were the simple guardians, and they also want to make a genius person of a child, but there is a contrary. And I will explain after giving the explanation about his biography or the timeline of Albert Einstein. Date of birth, April 18, 1955, 10 Medicide, Princeton Medical Center, New Jersey. That means इनका जो डेथ होता है वो अप्रैल 18, 1955, 10 Medicide, प्रिंसटन मेडिकल सेंटर जो कि न्यू जर्सी में है वहां. स्टूडेंट, from the beginning, he was not a very extraordinary child. He was just a simple, and he was so master of a minor memory that his classmates called him as a brother Boring. That means from the beginning he was not a brilliant. He has not an excellent mind. He has a very dull mind. He forgot all things. He forgot the things very easily. So his students, his friends, and his classmates called him a brother Boring. And usually he forgot his phone numbers and addresses like this in life. There are a lot of stories given about them. When he take his early education, then he went to the higher classes, and there in that time he was very interested in mathematics, and what the teacher taught him in the class, he never satisfied with that, because he thinks that the teacher taught only the things which is given in a book, and the teacher gave him many things to remember, and that is not that is very unconceivable things for him, because he always think their education, their lessons as practical. That means वो कभी नहीं चाहते थे कि जो उनकी बुक्स की चीजें हैं बस उसी को लर्न करें, उसी को याद करें, बल्कि वो ये चाहते थे कि बुक्स के बाहर की चीजों को भी समझा जाए। और कभी भी वो उन चीजों को, जो चीजें बुक्स में रहती थी, उनको माइंड में रखने को बहुत ज्यादा ईगर नहीं रहते थे। He always thinks that these things is given in a book, then there is no need to remember or recall. So the things we should recall, that is beyond your book. So after taking his education, he went further in America, and there Zurich, in Zurich, he take admission in higher classes. There he met a lady, that name was Meliva Merrick. Meliva Merrick, on that time, she got admitted in Polytechnic, and she was only the girl who is taking admission in mathematics classes. So Albert Einstein fall in love with Meliva Merrick, and after some moment he got married with her. And after getting married with her in 1903, in 1903, Hann Einstein was born. Hann Einstein was born, and in 1900, his second son Edward was born. But suddenly his life took a turn. That means American government offered him to be a president of a college, but he searched a lot of colleges and never satisfied the environment of that college. And finally he selected a college, and that college was very peaceful, and be a teacher as a physicist began to work. After some moment, when the head of a college asked to him, "Sir, mention the things which is necessary in your experiment. I would manage." Then Albert Einstein said that, "Sir, please give us a blackboard, chalk, pencil, and some piece of paper, and a big basket for waste material. Because when I used to do experiments, I used to do many mistakes." कि जब भी मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करता हूँ, जब भी मैं वर्क करता हूँ, तो बहुत सारी गलतियां करता हूँ मैं, और इसके लिए मुझे एक बड़ा सा वेस्ट बास्केट चाहिए, जिसमें कि मैं अपनी वेस्टेजेस को फेंक सकूं, क्योंकि मैं गलतियां बहुत करता हूं। Hearing this answer, his head became so surprised, and further he worked there, and many students got a very useful information and very useful knowledge from him. But after taking a lot of experiences, after taking a lot of prizes, lot of things, his wife and between him began a very dispute, and that dispute was that Meliva Merrick oftenly used to think that she was under fame. She was under fame under Albert Einstein's name, because when the thing which is published by the name of Albert Einstein, Meliva Merrick denied from that topic. That means जब भी कोई चीज प्रकाशित होती थी, तो मेलिवा मेरिक को वहां पर कोई प्लेस नहीं मिलता था, जिसकी वजह से मेलिवा मेरिक डिप्रेशन में चली गई एंड फाइनली शी डेड. So student, this was the brief introduction about Albert Einstein, and in your chapter we will discuss a lot of things about अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के विषय में छोटी छोटी एक दो कहानियां हैं जिसको मैं शेयर करना चाहूंगा. वंस अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन was traveling with a train, sorry, in a train, and when the ticket collector asked him for showing the ticket, he began to search here and there under the seat and said to him that, sir, I lost my ticket. Then ticket collector said that, oh sir, I knew you very well, and you are Albert Einstein, and you did never do such types of mistakes. Then after he said that, sir, there is not a matter that I forgot my ticket. There is matter that I forgot where I have to stop. That means उन्होंने कहा कि सर टिकट का खो जाना उतना बड़ा इश्यू नहीं है. सबसे बड़ा इश्यू क्या है कि मुझे अब कैसे पता चलेगा कि मैं कहाँ उतरूंगा. ये बात शो करती है कि अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ऑलवेज यूज टू थिंक दैट इज बियॉन्ड द पेपर. मतलब वो अक्सर उन्हीं चीजों को याद करते थे जो पेपर में नहीं होते थे. उनका ये मानना था कि पेपर में जब चीजें होंगी उन्हें याद करने की कोई नीड नहीं, पेपर निकालेंगे और देख लेंगे. ठीक ऐसा ही एक वाकया उनके साथ उस समय हुआ जब एक पर्सन ने उनसे उनका फोन नंबर पूछ लिया. फिर वो फोन की डायरेक्टरी बिगन टू सर्च his number in the phone directory. Then with a great surprise the man asked that, you are a great scientist and you forgot your phone number. Then the same answer given by the Albert Einstein. So student, it is a great information that there is no need that a man got an extraordinary mind from the birth. You can spread your mind from that now. So student, आज से भी आप अपनी मेमोरी को बहुत बड़ा कर सकते हैं, एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में कर सकते हैं, और आप भी अपनी लाइफ के अचीवमेंट को पा सकते हैं. इसके लिए यू हैव टू नीड अ कंसंट्रेशन एंड अ डिटर्मिनेशन ऑन योर सब्जेक्ट, ऑन योर एम. थैंक यू.